Live from the 48109, you're listening to Save These Are on WRKZ 93.0 FM. Your show on the lowdown on all the ins and outs of everything going up and down. Strange and square. Sweet and sour. It is the top of the hour, meaning we are bringing to you a new news bulletin, or should we say old news, as this bit of mystery is brought to you by history. Yep, folks, this one is for the books, more like it's from the books. A book out of a collection of books. The collection of the transactions of the American Philosophical Society. The digital library of academic journals, books, and primary sources known as JSTOR describes this collection to be a series that has been, quote, published since 1771 and is the oldest scholarly publication in the country. Our story today comes from the 6th volume of this collection. This is the description of a singular phenomenon seen at Baton Rouge by William Dunbar, Esquire. Communicated by Thomas Jefferson, President A.P.S. But first, a word from our sponsor.
Good morning, or should we say good evening? The next time you choose Thomas Rouge excavator of great time, I'll see you again, girls. And we too will be happy campers. That's again, evening at 2. Ring a friend, Friday through Sunday. See what it's all about. Save for at least, save a lot.
Now back to the show. This is the description of a singular phenomenon seen at Baton Rouge by William Dunbar, Esquire. Communicated by President Thomas Jefferson, President A.P.S. June 30, 1800, read 16th of January, 1801. A phenomenon was seen to pass Baton Rouge on the night of the 5th of April, 1800, of which the following is the best description I am able to obtain. It was first seen in the southwest and moved so rapidly, passing over the heads of spectators, as to disappear in the northeast in about a quarter of a minute. It appeared to be about the size of a large house, 70 figure 5 in plate 4. It appeared to be about 200 yards above the surface of the earth, wholly luminous but not emitting sparks of a color resembling the sun near the horizon in a cold, frosty evening, which may be called a crimson red. When passing right over the heads of spectators, the light on the surface of the earth was little short of the effect of sunbeams, though at the same time, looking another way, the stars were visible, which appears to be a confirmation of the opinion formed of its moderate elevation and passing. A considerable degree of heat was felt, but no electric sensation immediately after that disappeared in the northeast. A violent rushing noise was heard, as if the phenomenon was bearing down the forest before it. And in a few seconds, a tremendous crash was heard, similar to that of the largest piece of ordnance, causing a very sensible earthquake. I have not yet received answers to a number of queries I have sent on, which may perhaps bring to light more particulars. Thus concludes the document. Let's unpack it after a word from our sponsor.
Good morning. Good evening. Try as you might, do as you must. A service to the public, 925 as in 925.
Back to the vote. Johnson? Yay! Casey? Yay! Streetman? Yay. You're on the air. Huh? Yep. Well, you're preaching to the choir here, I'm afraid. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. See, I'm not sure if carrots were involved, but that's a good point if after all they were. Okay. Well, I'm afraid that's all the time we have for. Thanks for calling in, and I wish you well in your travels. Well, folks, if anybody has seen a flying, glowing house, give us a call. Apparently, we may have those flying around. And of course, beware if you're walking through some vegetables that night. That is the second best landing spot for flying houses to land. The best spot to land a flying house goes to the space occupied by witches with red shoes. I have no idea why these places are so favored by flying houses, but I think this is cause for some pursuit of regulation as to where one can park their large flying house. Maybe we don't have enough parking.